Now, I have a question for you, and this is just out of the blue. How much is a gallon of gasoline at this pump? What do we do? I'm gonna stop it exactly at 1 gallon, right? No, I'm gonna stop it when we get to 1 gallon. Okay.
So 178.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it exactly, but there it is.
It works.
So it looks like $2.07. Oh my God, this must be ancient history. Right now it's like almost 4.
Yes,
So
it does.
$2.76 per gallon. Okay, so we discovered that we can actually do that. So, okay. So we're gonna start. And we really can stop it anywhere we want to. It doesn't have to be in a particular place. These are data points. What are we gonna call it? What do you wanna call it? Sale?
The price of the sale.
Or price? Yeah.
Price.
You can call it price, you can call it sale. In units,
Okay.
we're gonna call it dollars. And then we're gonna do the same for these. We're gonna say here gallons or volume. And the units are gonna be gallons. Okay, so 0.52, 0.188, and you just keep going. So I'm gonna slide a little bit. Remember that there's also time going on here, so you may be able to later answer questions about time. So, okay, we have a second value. I don't want to bore you with these because I know you can do these at home. But I just want to see if we can come up with a graph of a straight line. And of course, everybody's going to get different data based on where you stop this thing. If I wanted to know how much time has elapsed, I can actually open this and look at the chronometer. But I don't need it. One more, and then we'll have 4 data points, which I think is going to be enough. Okay, well, let's take a look at the graph. Now the graph doesn't show anything because we haven't tell it what to show, right? So we need to click here and say, okay, I want to put sale there. I want to see what happens. And then click on the horizontal volume and put volume and see what happens. And we get that type of graph. Now the beauty of this is that I can actually switch the two. At this point, we haven't determined which one is the dependent and which one is the independent variable. If we just change them, let's see what happens to the graph. So now it's going to be volume and sale. Doesn't seem to change much, right?
Not much.
Now, if we look at it this way, you have gallons per dollar. You can also have dollars per gallon. So depending on what you want to extract from the graph, you can move the two numbers one way or another. Now, if we analyze these, we can actually do something called a curve fit. we can actually change this into a line graph. We can actually do a little bit more math here. So if we select curve fit and we go to this one, this is a typical model of what you may remember from math called this equation of the straight line, where this value of A is called the slope. Okay? I'll put it on the board in the way that most likely you learned it before. So I'm gonna put that there. And
That's what she's gonna do.
down here, there's a lot of valuable information. Now, this right here is the same thing that in math you may have learned as y equals mx plus b, lowercase. For every data pair, a slope. Okay, so the rest of the lab, I think, is about making predictions based on those type of graphs and equations. Let me just play the video because I haven't watched this video since last one. I don't know if they changed it. Yeah. So I guess we need to go back a little bit on the video and stop it when the prices show up. So let's see. Are they visible?
The first two.
275, 305, and I cannot see that, you're right. But we said that the price of gas was 276, right? So she must be using on leaded, the lowest octane, whatever,